The CountA function is used to count the number of values or number of elements in a particular range of cell. So we can say between cell C5, cell F5 and then G5, what's the number of values that can be found in these two cells? Just by looking at it, we know that it's 2. But then how do we determine this? Using a function. So in this case, we use the CountA function. And with the CountA function, it counts both elements that are strings and elements that are numbers or values. So for us to get the actual count, which we should return to, we use the CountA function, which is equals to count, and then we choose the CountA function, and then we select our data set. So once you choose the data set, you can hit enter and to return the 2. So when you have a given data set which is huge or which is quite voluminous and you want to count the number of values in each of the cells or in a particular range of columns or rows, you use the CountA function. So I can go ahead and then drag my CountA function down, which will give us 2 for all the set of data that we are working with. So you can check between column F and column G. There are 2 sets of data in both of them. So that's how we go about the CountA function. In summary, the CountA function is used to count both text or strings and numbers in a given data set range, whereas the count function is best used to count the number of numeric data sets in a given data set range.